And this is your daily dose of internet. This is what a Bugatti sounds like going at speeds of over 250 miles per hour. You can tell this dog has definitely had enough of this baby. Find yourself some friends that can hype you up like this.
Shut your mouth! Oh, yeah, baby! Oh, my God! Eat your heart out, Tanya Hardy!
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Here's an octopus that, for some reason, really enjoys crawling out on land. In case you didn't know, touchscreens in cars isn't exactly a new idea. Buick was the first car company to put touchscreens in cars, going all the way back to 1986.
So right now we're in the climate mode, and this is your single zone automatic climate control. You can adjust the temperature. It shows outside temperature display. You have various panel distribution controls. You have your fan speed for low, high, and auto. You can also set favorite memory settings.
And he's scared of tie-dye, but you know what he's not scared of? Loves fruit by the foot. Do you want some fruit by the foot?
This is called cloud seeding, and it's something that pretty much every country carries out. Planes will fly through clouds and release sodium chloride, which is just salt, into the clouds in an attempt to make it rain. According to the UAE, cloud seeding can increase rainfall from a cloud by up to 35%.
Hygroscopic particles, salt particles, and so by that you can start forming ice crystals at -5 to -10 degrees Celsius in the clouds. They grow faster, grow bigger, and thus can start producing precipitation.
About 400 years ago, this church was built on the side of this mountain in Italy. Here's a safety device some skateboarders use to practice new tricks. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I was able to make your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very